everyone, a very good evening to you. Welcome to Krystal Traders Hub. Yes, you're right. Hope we all had a very good day today. A lot happened in the FX market, and I'm going to share with you today all to a reasonable extent all that transpired and perhaps what to look out for ahead of tomorrow's trading activity. Okay. First, I'm going to remind us that yesterday we discussed ranging markets. Okay, we talked about the structure of a ranging market. We also discussed about how you can effectively trade ranging market. We took a moment to locate support and resistance levels. For those of us that perhaps joined us today, please do well to refer to our previous videos, so that to keep you abreast with all that transpired all this while. So yes, that's exactly what we discussed yesterday, ranging markets. And the high point of yesterday's class was the key pair we highlighted, which was the Euro GBP pair. We looked at the structure within the daily time frame, and we identified the range bound structure he had made over numerous days. He had made an uptrend, he had retraced, he had also made an uptrend, all within the specified range as being displayed on your screen. And I also gave a hint yesterday that at 0.8509, which it was as at yesterday, it had approached a key support level. Yes, I did say that yesterday, that it approached a key support level, and as very smart traders, you want to be looking forward to a possible reversal. Okay, it could be using your technical analysis, or perhaps it could have a fundamental trigger to a possible reversal. Now you're going to look forward to your signal that possibly will be telling you that, okay, the bulls are beginning to coming back into the market. So I asked us to watch out. So I'm going to highlight what had happened in today's episode. So let's go to the chart. Euro GBP. Of course, a very important data was released today, and that data was the Purchasing Managers Index figures for the Eurozone. And this Eurozone included those of France, those of Germany, and I think both of them were released. And it ended up, those reports ended up being hotter than expected. Remember, I always, if you look at the site Forex Factory, those key points are well noted there. Like in the case of the PMIs that were released some hours ago, a hotter than expected value is going to be a boost for the euro. So at the end of the day, we got a release that was in the green, which was hotter than expected. And to that effect, the euro got a boost by that figure, and they rallied to an extent. And looking at your chart, you find out that you're beginning to have the bulls coming on the daily time frame. The previous one we highlighted yesterday closed in the red, but at the end of today, we're observing that it had closed higher than it was yesterday. And that pattern is more like a bullish harami pattern. And that's a possible bullish reversal. Looking at today's candlestick is the green, like the bullish candlestick, and yesterday's candlestick was in the red. So when you're having the bullish harami, it tells you that it's possible the bulls are beginning to take over the market once again, or it could be a possible continuation pattern. But because we have identified a key support area at that point where it ended yesterday, so any possible signal of a reversal could according to the balance of probabilities, could well be, of course, in line with forecast, could well be a true signal. So you want to watch out for that pattern by tomorrow, and look forward to taking a bullish entry into the market. And don't forget to do your proper risk management analysis. In fact, I just take my my stop loss just below yesterday's close. Well, yesterday's close was at about 0.8509 or thereabout. So I could just take a stop loss within 0.848090 ish. So, and then I be looking at the 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 ratio of risk reward ratio. So that's exactly what you should be looking forward to. A possible reversal for the euro GBP pair, bearing in mind the hotter than expected purchasing managers index figures that were released over a few hours ago. So I hope this helps us understand better what the ranging market is, and if you actually liked what you saw, do well to hit the like button, share a video, so that as much as we can pull people into understanding how this works, so that people can benefit from the FX market. We're going to be proud of that. So until then, do